a little bit of sodium metal. This is an alkali metal, so it's very reactive. You see here we've got it under some oil. Here's a tiny little chunk. Okay, I'm gonna put this away right now first, before I do anything else. All right, sodium metal. It's really weird. Very soft. You can see, you can easily forge it, shape it. Cold, actually you could just squeeze it. It's almost like modeling clay. All right. Sodium metal. But what's really cool about this is what happens when you throw it in water.
Hang on a sec.
You got it?